Hello guys, welcome back to Finstock. We're back again with another video for you, and we are still doing the series on content creation on social media, and we are still on Instagram. So today we're going to discuss on leveraging behind the scenes to grow your Instagram. So this will work if maybe you had 5 followers and now you have 10,000 followers, or you had 10,000 followers, now you have maybe 50,000 or 100k followers. So we are going to discuss on tips that you can use to gain even more followers from where you are, and sharing your stories to people maybe who are where you were at when you're starting your content creation on Instagram. And the first thing you need to do is to define your ideal target. Yeah, we talked about identify your audience, but now here you have to be very specific the kind of people you are creating content for. So if you are creating content, entertainment content, you have to make sure that you are very strict and stick to entertainment rather than just you creating random content. Maybe you find a funny video of a politician. You have to make sure that you stick to your lane, because those audience that you have will make sure that they are boosting and you are creating content specifically for them. So you'll have a great following and a loyal community online. And the second thing is to create high quality content. So now you are not just a random Instagram person who is just posting random videos. You have to make sure that, because your goal is to have quality Instagram and even to market it in the future, and you have already grown from where you are. So you have to make sure that you even increase the quality of your videos, the videos of you're producing. So you have to make sure that you increase how you're producing your videos, improve on your lighting, how you are editing, and even increase on your visuals. Yeah, so you have to make sure that you're creating high quality for Instagram. And the second one is to engage authentically. And engaging authentically is to make sure that you are growing in a clean and a verified way. So you are not using shortcuts, you are not buying views, you are not buying followers. You're just growing authentically in their will, like you're not forcing anyone, and that will make sure that your community online it's very loyal, and you're going to make sure that you're growing together as you who is creating the content and people who are receiving your content. And the other thing is to post at optimal times. So this is kind of creating an identity in your Instagram account. So people will notice that this person posts at 2, and that is it. So people will always notice you, because that uniqueness will create a certain uniqueness that people will not miss. Even if they find your video, they'll notice that this video belongs to this account. So that is what it means by posting optimal times. And the main goal of this is to create a brand identity, because people will be noticing your videos. Yeah. And the other thing that you can do rather than posting at optimal times is creating maybe a certain way of editing, or a certain way of titles and visual content that you're creating in your videos. And the last one is leverage storytelling. So this is how you show your viewers how your Instagram has been growing, even the challenges you are facing. So this will create that emotional connection, and your viewers will get to create more trust in you, and they feel like they are part of your brand. Yeah. So make sure that you are leveraging storytelling, because storytelling, people like to hear stories, and they get to relate with stories more than just a person just creating content and there is no the truth matter to it. You can even show them that how you are struggling creating content, the advantages of creating content, and even disadvantages. So you get to be true to yourself and to your viewers. And that is it, guys. Those are the 5 ways that you can leverage behind the scenes to grow your Instagram. Make sure you implement them, and I'm sure you're going to notice a difference in your account. And that is it, guys. If you want to create more content professionally, shoot professional videos, learn how to edit, you can enroll for film production courses at Finstock University College. Send them an email at info@finstockuniversity.com, or call the customer care number at 0703 313 722. Also, remember to like the video, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit on notifications so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. And that is it, guys. Until next time, goodbye.